Today I'm going to tell you about brief about second year. Which books we have to gonna study in second year, which subjects, which are exam going subjects and which are preclinical subjects. So let's start with subjects. We all know that second year is bit challenging and it's heavy in our pocket because in second year we have to buy some instruments which is very necessary in dentistry. So before we want to tell about instruments, first I want to tell you which books you have to study in second year. We have 4 exam going subjects and 2 preclinical subjects. Basically microbiology and pathology, these exams are going to conduct on same day and have the same paper. And second one is DN, which is dental material, and the third one is pharmacology. So let me tell about all the subjects in a little bit brief. So in microbiology we have to study about bacteria, how to sterilize, sterilization, and there's more which we're going to study by the help of books. And in pharmacology we all know we have to study about drugs, drug administration, doses. First of our main subject which is dental. This is the exam going subject and this is the most important, or you can say it's a bit difficult subject in second year various, in which we have to study about how to mix right material. Means you have to learn to mix a right material in the right quantity in a right time, because these materials are quite expensive, which we can't waste or which we can't use more than its quantity needed. Because if you have some future plans to open your own clinic, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए किस मटेरियल को कितना देर मिक्स करना है, किस मटेरियल को कितना यूज़ करना है, उसकी क्वांटिटी क्या है, व्हाट्स द मिक्सिंग एंड द सेटिंग टाइम. एंड या इन डीएम इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट द मिक्सिंग एंड द सेटिंग टाइम ऑफ द मटेरियल. इट्स द most asking question in Viva. I'm using the word bar materials. So what is material? There's lots of material which use in DM. For example, alginate, agar, composite, GIC. In Prosto, हम first year में already we have did lots of works of preclinical. We have to continue our work from there also. So in second year we have to make a denture, which is 7 class 1 denture, 1 class 2 denture and 1 class 3 denture. We have to continue our work. जो हम लोगों ने first year में छोड़ा था, हमें वहीं से continue करना start करना है. And these all the dentures we have to make. Basically we have to arrange the teeth for the last preclinical subject except cones. It according to me it's a bit interesting, but yeah, it's a little bit heavy for your pocket also, because in cons you have to buy lots of instrument which help you in next years also. So what we have to study in cons, actually not we don't have a theory paper, I already mentioned. We have only a practical works. So इसमें हमें we have to prepare a cavity, class 1 cavity, class 2 cavity. We have a number of teeth which we already studied in our first year, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. For different teeth we have to prepare different cavities. So then after completing our typhos, after preparing the cavities in our typhos, we have to prepare cavities in extracted tooth. Working on your typhus teeth, please start collecting your extracted tooth from clinics and from wherever you are comfortable, because after completing your exercises from typhus you have to work on extracted tooth. And we have to make RCTs also in second year, 2 to 3 RCTs also. You have exercise to complete on your extracted tooth. I understand you are not getting right now everything, but yeah, while going classes, क्लास जाते के साथ आपको समझ में आ जाएगा किस चीज़ में क्या है, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट में क्या करना है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन दैट सेकेंड ईयर इज़ बिट चैलेंजिंग एंड इट्स बिट डिफिकल्ट एज कम्पेयर टू अवर फर्स्ट ईयर, because we have a lots of practical works and plus we have a theory too. So that's all about the second year. See you in the next video. Thank you.